Bitcoin is about to see another huge breakout in that short term, while it is currently still trading inside of a weekend, so we need to be talking about that exactly. But in that bigger picture, I think that Bitcoin is about to be seeing this massive breakout. So this is going to be the most important thing we need to be talking about. Anyways, in 2 weeks time, this exact thing is going to be happening, and many people believe that this is going to be having a bearish effect for the markets, while actually I think it is going to be having a bullish effect. We will be talking about that exactly. Gold is already showing what the next Bitcoin move is going to be. The next interest rate decision is going to be looking very bullish for the Bitcoin price. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's start off with that short term. And yes, Bitcoin is starting to create another consolidation over here in that short term. Definitely a big breakout is going to be inevitable anytime soon now. This breakout is going to be expected still during this weekend, so I do not think we're going to be getting a very big volatile breakout over here, because usually during the course of the weekend volatility tends to be lowered and we tend to be just consolidating it around that CME close price, which in this case is sitting at that 63.2k level. So I just think that this breakout over here is not going to be very volatile, and just consolidation at around the CME close price is going to be more likely. But anyways, definitely that momentum for Bitcoin right now towards the upside is very strong after we got this breakout towards the upside outside of this resistance and outside of this falling wedge. Of course, looking very good. We've been discussing this exactly for so many times on my channel already. Anyways, the Bitcoin price action is just shaping up very nicely, exactly like we have been predicting, been getting supported by this level over here. And right now is approaching this level of resistance, which this level is going to be the most important level for Bitcoin to right now to be having a look in towards, because this is going to be a previous high over here, and whenever Bitcoin can be breaking above that previous high, well, in that case we're going to be flipping this downtrend in towards an uptrend. And of course we have already been seeing a slight little shift in the market structure, because we have been creating an equal low over here if you're going to be counting the candle bodies. Now if you're going to be counting the candle wicks, in that case we have already started to create a new higher low, which makes me definitely believe that market structure is shifting towards the upside right now, and we could be flipping this in towards an uptrend very soon. I think it is about to happen. Definitely the trend is starting to flip. And yes, whenever Bitcoin can be breaking above that previous high, whenever we're going to be trading inside of an uptrend over here, a way bigger breakout is going to be inevitable. Now, it could be happening already by next week, but do still keep in mind that we are trading inside of the month of September. And usually the month of September is a little bit of a slower month for Bitcoin, a little bit more of a bearish month for Bitcoin. So yeah, while it could be possible that we are already going to be breaking outside of this level of resistance over here, I do not think it is going to be very likely. I just think that some more consolidation at around this level and then a break in October is going to be more likely. So let's see how that is going to be unfolding. Anyways, definitely Bitcoin history is repeating, because we have started off this month as a bearish month and we are right now ending off this month of September as a bullish month. So history is repeating, because right over here we have started off the month as a bullish month, ended off the month as a bearish month. Right here started off the month as a bearish month, ended it off as a bullish month. Right here started it off once again as a bearish month and ended it off as a bullish month. Right now the same thing is happening once again. Anyways, having a look into this post that I've just posted on my X profile, well, FTX will begin to distribute $16 billion to its creditors, and that will happen in 2 weeks time. But many people believe that this is going to be having a bearish effect on the market, but I just actually think the opposite, because this, in my opinion, is just going to be liquidity which is going to be coming back in towards the crypto space. Most of this money will just flow right back in towards the crypto space. So that is definitely going to be having a very bullish effect on the market. So that is going to be happening in 2 weeks. Let's see if, yes indeed, we can be seeing this break above this level of resistance by the month of October. Anyways, the stock market is already reaching new all-time highs over here, and what I've been saying is that whenever the stock market is going to be reaching new all-time highs, breaking in towards this all-time high territory, retesting it, and seeing some continuation, I think Bitcoin is going to be next shortly after. And yes, indeed, while Bitcoin is pushing up towards the upside, the Bitcoin funding rates are still very, very low. So I still think that Bitcoin has enough momentum left to continue this push towards the upside. As long as the Bitcoin funding rates are still going to be this low, I still think that Bitcoin is going to be pushing even higher. Anyways, gold is already showing what that next Bitcoin move is going to be, because gold always shows what that next Bitcoin move is going to be. Gold is always a leading indicator, and right now, gold is exploding towards the upside. It is going absolutely exponential. Right now, it has just reached a new all-time high, just like the stock market. So I think Bitcoin is about to do the same exact thing. Q4 is definitely going to be extremely bullish, and according to history, if Bitcoin closes in the green in September, Q4 will literally be even more bullish than we even anticipated. So starting to look very, very good. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself right now in that imminent short term, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming cool rewards, and also you can be getting a 30% trading fee discount and a $60,000 deposit bonus. So that is going to be absolutely insane. Make sure to be checking it out over on OKX. Anyways, if we're going to be zooming out for Bitcoin, I just think that anytime soon we are going to be seeing this huge and big breakout over here. I think it is going to be happening very soon. It is around the corner, and this is going to be the most significant breakout maybe in Bitcoin history, but definitely for this year. Anyways, still liquidity is flowing in towards the Bitcoin market, as you can be seeing over here. Bitcoin is trying to be breaking above this RSI downtrend over here. The weekly candle is going to be closing in 1 day, so that is going to be very important. It is right now trying to be breaking out. In the next interest rate decision, we are likely to be going to see another 50 basis point rate cut, which is going to be ultimately very bullish for the Bitcoin price for that longer term. So we are about to be seeing a huge breakout of this huge consolidation that we have been seeing for the past 8 months. This is going to be huge for the Bitcoin price. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.